Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove background from a photo on Adobe Express. So Adobe Express is a web version of Photoshop where you can basically edit your photos for free. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up a web browser. Here you want to go ahead and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. So this is how the website will look like. You will need to sign up for a free account. Go ahead and do that using your Google account or any other account. Now once that's done, go ahead and click on the plus sign. Here, go ahead and click on Upload Media. Go ahead and select the media where you want to remove the background. So I've got this image of a lady. Click on Original Aspect. Now here, I want to go ahead and remove the gray background from this lady. So go ahead and click on the image. On the left hand side, you'll see your remove background feature, which will appear. So go ahead and click on that. Once you do this, this will remove the background from the image. Now, once you're happy with the removal of the background, go ahead and click on download here at the top right. And then make sure it's PNG. So your background is transparent, and click on download. Now, once you do this, this will download the image without a background. So you can place this image anywhere you like, where you have a background. So there you go, guys. That is how to remove background from a photo on your browser on Adobe Express. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.